Alright, so the new water heater, 3 years old. I'm gonna get this information right away.
You're so annoying.
It's set to B. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to relight it. Pilot is not staying on, so we'll probably need like a flame sensor for this, but we're gonna try and pull this apart and do something a little different. Got 2 flashes, thermocouple, low voltage. Alright. Pull that off. Disconnect the piezo. If you're telling the guy how to do this, he'd probably say turn the gas off. I don't care. Disconnect the gas supply, and then disconnect the pilot tube. So, piezo igniter, pilot tube, and this is the thermopile, or whatever they call it on this heater. So, not always, but sometimes we can just clean this up and get this working. I'm going to hit it with some sandcloth. So that's going to clean off the flame sensor or whatever, and this is a really weird situation. Not like any heater I've seen. So here we got the red flash. Hoping after cleaning the thermopile it's going to stay lit. But nothing. So now I'm getting 2 flashes, which is low voltage on the thermopile. So I called customer support and talked to them. Have me multimeter that, and you get a DC voltage of around 0.35 millivolts when you're running the pilot. So see here it's climbing up, and it ended up climbing up there. So after we did this, we determined that the gas valve was bad. So I'm probably going to replace the gas valve and the thermopile. But being a 9-year-old water heater, we're probably going to replace the whole water heater.